means it's time for fresh local strawberries.
Once picked, strawberries store best when kept in the refrigerator and will typically last 1 to 2 days. Wait to wash and hull strawberries until you are ready to eat them. Enjoy sweet, fresh strawberries on their own or add it on top of vanilla yogurt as an easy treat. One way to quickly hull strawberries is to use a straw to remove the caps. This is also a great way to involve kids in the kitchen. If you bought more strawberries than you can eat within 2 days, come up with a plan. Strawberries that are starting to become overripe may not have the ideal texture, but are still full of flavor. Try adding them to hot cereal, smoothies, or pancakes. One of my favorite breakfasts is the Med Instead of Meds banana oatmeal pancakes with orange strawberries on top. This is a great way to use overripe fruit and is high in fiber, so it'll keep you full throughout the morning. If you want to enjoy the taste of seasonal strawberries year-round, try freezing them. To do this, wash and pat strawberries dry with a paper towel. Cut off stems and either slice the berries or keep them whole. Place them in a single layer on a cookie sheet in the freezer. Once frozen, transfer to a freezer bag for extended storage. To learn more about the availability of strawberries in your area, check out the Visit NC Farms app search feature and select strawberries.